Want to check old posts on Facebook? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily check old posts on Facebook. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to your profile section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top left corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Move into Settings at the very top. Scroll all the way down until you see the option where it says Activity Log. Once found, click on it. You can see tons of different options. Click on your Facebook activity. You can see Post, and in the section of Posts, click on Manage Post. You will be able to see all of your activities of your post. Now click on Filters at the top left corner of the screen. Choose Date. Now set the date of which you want to see the post of. As you want to see the old post, select the date range of that time. Once you have selected, tap on Done. You also need to choose the end date as well. After that, click on Done at the top right corner. And there you go. You will be able to see all of the old posts that you have selected the date range of. You can click on it and view the post directly also. So this is simply how you can view your old posts on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.